How often do you wish you had the technical knowledge to build your own analytic solutions, but instead, you're faced with a myriad of barriers preventing you from doing so? Poor data quality, lack of technical help, and time consuming deployment paths put a stop to a quick response. You want to cut through these obstacles and get actionable results fast. You need non technical data tools and customized dashboards to display your results and pinpoint areas needing attention. The ability to act immediately to mitigate loss will significantly enhance your effectiveness. This is how Nemesis empowers you. It gives you the ability to build your own analytics solutions without help from your technical team. You can use a range of technology options, conduct your analysis and take action, and improve the effectiveness of your team, all within days. Why wait? Try it out and then decide. No surprises. Nemesis. Let's break through these barriers together.